Don't throw away dragon fruit peels. Boil them and watch what happens. A secret for youth, beauty, and health. Hello everyone, welcome back to Health for You. Today I want to share something that might surprise you. A simple fruit peel that most of us throw away, but it could actually make you look younger, feel stronger, and live healthier. Yes, I'm talking about the peel of the dragon fruit. You know, the bright pink outer layer we usually discard after enjoying the sweet flesh inside? It turns out this trash might be one of nature's most underrated treasures. So stay tuned until the end of this video, because once you learn the power of dragon fruit peel, you'll never throw it away again. 1. The forgotten treasure of dragon fruit, also called pitaya, is known for its beautiful look and refreshing taste. It's rich in fiber, vitamin C, magnesium, and antioxidants. But here's the shocking part. The peel actually contains more beneficial compounds than the flesh itself. Scientists have discovered that dragon fruit peel is packed with anthocyanins, a group of natural pigments that give the peel its vibrant pink-red color. These anthocyanins are powerful antioxidants, 10 times stronger than carotene, the compound that keeps carrots and pumpkins healthy. They help slow down aging, improve blood flow, protect your heart, and keep your skin young and radiant. And yet, most people simply throw it in the trash. What a waste, right? 2. Preparing and cleaning the peel properly. Before we talk about how to eat or drink it, you need to know how to clean it the right way. Because the peel's surface has tiny scales and grooves, it's easy for dust, bacteria, and even pesticide residues to cling to it. So, here's the correct way to clean dragon fruit. Fill a basin with clean water. Add a spoonful of salt and stir until it dissolves. Put the whole dragon fruit in and soak it for 10 minutes. After about 5 minutes, flip the fruit to let both sides soak evenly. Gently scrub the peel with your hands, especially around the leafy edges. Finally, rinse thoroughly under running water. Salt water acts as a natural disinfectant. It removes impurities and kills bacteria effectively. After this, your dragon fruit peel will be clean, safe, and ready to use. 3. How to make dragon fruit peel tea. Simple, delicious, and youth-boosting. Now let's turn this colorful peel into a super drink. Here's what to do. Cut off the stem and the tip of the fruit. Slice the peel into strips. Put them into a pot and add enough water to cover them. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. During this process, the heat helps extract anthocyanins and other nutrients from the peel into the water. After boiling, strain out the peels and keep only the water. The result? A beautiful deep pink-purple tea that's naturally sweet and full of health benefits. You can drink it warm or cold. Either way, it's refreshing and energizing. 4. Add honey. Turn it into a natural beauty drink. If you love a bit of sweetness, add a spoonful of pure honey once the water cools slightly. Be careful not to add it when the tea is still hot. Heat destroys honey's enzymes and nutrients. This combination is amazing. Anthocyanins from the peel help protect skin cells, enhance elasticity, and fight aging. Honey provides enzymes, amino acids, and minerals that nourish the body and improve digestion. Together, they create a perfect anti-aging, detoxifying, and skin-repairing drink. Have a cup in the morning or before bed, and you'll notice your skin becoming smoother, your body feeling lighter, and your energy improving. 5. The science behind anthocyanins. You might be wondering, how powerful can this compound really be? Well, research shows that anthocyanins can protect 85% of skin cells from UV damage, compared to only 50% survival without them. They also help regenerate rhodopsin, a visual pigment in our eyes that's essential for seeing clearly in dim light. That means this compound helps prevent nearsightedness, eye strain, and age-related vision problems. And that's not all. Anthocyanins also strengthen capillaries, restore microcirculation, and keep blood vessels flexible, preventing issues like varicose veins and high blood pressure. So yes, Something as simple as a cup of dragon fruit peel tea can do wonders for your eyes, heart, and skin. 6. Creative way. Number 1. Dragon fruit peel. Jelly. If you prefer something fun to eat, turn the tea into a beautiful jelly dessert. Here's how. Make the tea as above. Add some sugar to taste. Stir in white jelly powder or gelatin and mix well. Pour it into molds or bowls. Let it cool or refrigerate for about 30 to 60 minutes. Once set, you'll get a shiny, translucent pink jelly that's soft, bouncy, and naturally colorful. You can top it with coconut milk or fresh fruit for extra flavor. Unlike store-bought jellies full of chemicals and preservatives, this homemade version is completely natural, safe, and nutrient-rich, perfect for kids and adults alike. 7. Creative way. Number 2. Dragon fruit. Peel salad. Another exciting way to enjoy this superfood is to make a tangy, crunchy salad. Peel off the outer scaly layer. Slice the inner peel into thin strips. Soak in salt water for 10 minutes, rinse, and squeeze gently to remove excess moisture. Add cilantro, celery, cucumber, and a bit of chili for aroma and flavor. Mix with a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of natural fermented vinegar. Vinegar enhances the absorption of antioxidants and helps burn fat by boosting metabolism. This salad is not only refreshing, but also a perfect summer detox meal that aids in healthy weight loss. 8. The incredible benefits of eating or drinking dragon fruit peel. Let's sum up all the benefits this waste can offer. Brightens and rejuvenates the skin, makes it smoother and more elastic. Improves blood circulation and keeps blood vessels healthy. Aids digestion and supports weight management naturally. Detoxifies the body, cleansing the liver and kidneys. Boosts immunity and protects against oxidative stress. Supports eye health and prevents visual decline. For women, it's a natural beauty booster. For older adults, it improves circulation and helps with sleep. For young people, it's a perfect detox drink and beauty secret for glowing skin and better focus. 9. From kitchen waste to nature's miracle. Isn't it amazing that something we used to throw away can be such a powerful natural medicine? The dragon fruit peel proves that nature hides treasures in the simplest things. So next time you eat a dragon fruit, don't toss the peel into the trash. Instead, boil it, blend it, or turn it into a refreshing jelly or salad. You'll not only save money, but also gain health, beauty, and vitality from what was once waste. 10. Final thoughts. Small habits, big changes. Health doesn't always come from expensive supplements or treatments. Sometimes it's hidden in the fruits and vegetables we eat every day, or even in their peels. So try it today. Start small. Brew a cup of dragon fruit peel tea, take a sip, and feel how your body responds. Let nature do its magic. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Health for You for more natural health tips and remedies that help you live a vibrant, youthful life. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next video.